Meaning of fastball.
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 Fastball. A fastball is a type of pitch in baseball that is thrown with maximum velocity and little spin. The goal of this pitch is to surprise the batter with its speed, making it difficult to hit. Fastballs can be thrown at speeds upwards of 100 miles per hour and are often used as the primary weapon of power pitchers. When executed effectively, a fastball can result in a swinging strike, a missed swing, a foul ball, or a weakly hit ball that is easy for the defense to handle.